Hello and welcome back everyone to Coding Scratch. Okay, today we go to another unit that's called Intro to App Design. Okay, it means that Introduction to App Design. Okay, so we go to this unit and this unit 3 we have around 8, 9 and 10. Okay, we have 10 lessons. Okay, so today we go to the lesson 1, that introduction to app, in the unit 3 intro to app design. Okay, so don't waste time, we go to the lesson. Okay, so in this lesson it is just talking about the introduction, right? Okay, so it has to do this, and we can see this screen. It represent to the phone screen. Okay, so we see to do this here. So with a partner discuss the following. We have another 3 questions that you have to discuss with your team or your partner. Okay, for the first one is, how does the user interact with the app, and what is the overall purpose of this app? And the 3 or third is, who is the target audience? Okay, so before you can answer this 3 question, you have to run it and play this game, or click anything on the screen, or everything on the screen. You click on the text and the picture and the Spanish button and English button. You can see what is happen when you click Spanish or English. Now I click English and then click next, and then I click on the title here, the text. After that, I click on the bottle and it plays some sound, and this bottle, and the title is said that chose the correct water bottle. Then click the choose set to fill. Now I click choose set. Okay, it will fill the water in the bottle. Okay, I click next, and after that, it is another way you can save the water, right? Taking shorter shower. Okay, it tells us to click on the timer. Okay, so after you play it and click again and again, you can understand it, and you can answer this question. Okay, for me, the user can interact with the app with the first is the click. You can see we click on the button here, and after that click here. And another one is we can click on the picture. Okay, click, it doesn't mean click only on the button, but it can click on the picture also. Okay, you can see, and this is picture too. Okay, so the overall purpose of this app is, you can see when you can see the title or the app name, the water converse conservation, right? Water conservation tip. It means that the overall is the overall purpose to conservation the water, to conserve the water. Okay, so the target audience is, I think, is all over the world. This app can use. Okay, so that's all. So we go to another puzzle, the puzzle 2. Okay, the puzzle 2, we can see this app, and this 3 question, it is the same, right? So before you can answer this, you play the game or play the app again. The title is Bird Quiz. Okay, think you know bird, time to test your knowledge. Okay, you start, or you just press begin and then answer the question, what bird is the fastest on the land? Now I choose O3. Okay, what bird can live the longest? I choose parrot. What bird can fly? Blackbird, hummingbird. Okay, so when I press all the correct answer, it will show the screen, you win. Okay, you are bird expert and play again. Okay, so I play again and begin again, and I start with a discussion. I said answer all three, and the longest lie I said eagle. Okay, you lost. Okay, when you answer incorrect, it will see the screen you lost and see this guy here. Okay, so let's answer. The user can interact with the app by press the button, and after that, or click the button and then click on the picture or image on the screen, right? Okay, the overall purpose of this app is general knowledge with the bird. Okay, to show the general about the bird. And the target audience is maybe who love the bird and the bird expert. Okay, right? Okay, so I just press finish and go to another one. Okay, now we have three questions again and just run it and then click this red, blue, purple here. This is the flower, okay, option. Okay, and after that you can see this title, Hamilton Township Improvement Project. And after that, I click this arrow. And after that, I click this flower and it will show the tag here. If I press the recycle bin, it is put in here any item that can recycle. And this is a new flower basket. No trash belong here. And this is the trash can. Throw away all the trash in the blue bin. So it's all guy about the you can throw the trash, okay? You can throw the trash for in here. Yes, you can see no trash belong here. I press next. Okay, that's all. Okay, I press the home. Okay, it will guide us back. So the user can interact with the app by pressing button, okay, or clicking the button. And this is the picture. You can see here the arrow. Okay, this is also the picture. The overall purpose of this app is talking about the Hamilton Township Improvement Project for the make the environment in the Hamilton to be more beautiful. Okay, so who is the target audience? I think that target audience is all the people that living the Hamilton Township. Okay, and what do you think? You can comment below. Okay. So just press finish again, go to another puzzle. Okay, this puzzle we have three questions again and have the title of four square. It means four times the fun. It means the same. And I just press run and click on the picture. It's nothing happen. I click on more info, no happen. But okay, what happened? I click again. When I press more info, nothing happened. But when I press the next button here, or we can see the arrow, white arrow inside the black circle here, I press it, it will show another screen that asks the question or how many player do you need to play for square. Click to find out. So when I press 1, it said not enough. 2, it's still not enough. 3, the same. But I press 4, it will say that, right, you need 4 players. So we can go next. Okay, this is the guy play the 4 square game. Okay, so that's all. You can press again. It will guide you to the first screen. So we can interact with the app with this button, this button, this button. Okay, and the overall purpose is the guide who lover a guide to play the 4 square game. Okay, and the target audience is for all people who want to play the 4 square game. Okay, if they want to play, they can see the guide in this app. Okay. Next to the another puzzle. Okay, we can see the three question again and take a look at this and run. Okay, you can see the Monarch butterfly. This is the Monarch butterfly. Okay, it said that click me, and when I click on the picture, it will be bigger. Okay, and have another description here. Okay, you can read it, and after that, I click next. And after that, you can see the click me again here, and not click on the title or the text. Click on the picture here. When I click it, it will pop up. Okay, like that. Okay, so and it will show another description here again for this tab. Okay, I press next. Okay, it will show the Monarch butterfly. Okay, when I press on the picture here, press it. Okay, the butterfly change the direction here. So I press home, and you can click again to see what is happened. Okay, what happened? Okay, so the use how does the user interact with the app is click on the picture here and the button here. Okay, picture, button, picture. Okay, the overall purpose of this app is show all the steps of the Monarch butterfly. Okay, and who is the target audience? The target audience is for the all the people or for the student to know about the development of the Monarch butterfly. Okay, so that all finished and continue. Okay, in the puzzle set here, we have another video that called how computer work and what make computer a computer. So you can watch this video and I will guide you something here. So I will guide you for the how the computer work and what make computer a computer. So what make a computer a computer? Okay, all of the all of the electronic device, or you can say that have four main things. Okay, four things in common to all computer have is for the first one is input, and the second is storage, and third is processing, and fourth is the output. What is that? Input, it means that you input all the information via your mouse, via your keyboard, via microphone, anything that you can input to your computer, and then storage it in your hard drive or ASD or anything, and you can store the memory. Okay, and then you can processing it. Okay, you can process it by for the computer we use the CPU, right, to calculate something. Okay, and then it will be output. Output, what is output? It means all the information after processing it will show on the screen, or making a sound by the speaker, or like the Wi-Fi signal, anything else that can be output here. So all of the device that has the four thing that we call it a computer. Okay, so this all about this video. I just review you, okay, or wrap up for you. So I go to another puzzle here, puzzle 7. Okay, in this puzzle we have the another question, and in the do this, and we can see these three buttons. We can see the code, design, and data, and you will learn it from one by one. Okay, so this one here you can see the home or shower screen or water portal screen here. You can change it. Okay, what does it want us to do in this puzzle? Okay, with a partner discuss the following while investigating this app. Okay, what are the inputs? Okay, what are the outputs? Okay, so our app is like we can call it a computer too because it can be input, it can storage, it can be processed, yeah, and it can be output. But in this investigation, we invest what is input to the app and what is the output to the app or to the phone here. So for example, input, we have the Spanish button here. When we run, we can click Spanish. It will be change all the text here to the Spanish. Okay, the output is the language here in the text here. And click English is all. So the click is, we can call it input, and all the text is, we can call the output. Okay, right? Okay, you can click here, and this is all about the input tool. When we click on the button, click, and it will show here. Can be the output. Click again, yeah, input, and show the water here. It will be the output. Okay, input and output. Okay, input and output the picture, the dark here. Okay, the red dark here or yellow dark here. Okay, so this is all about the input and output. So we finish it. Continue. And the puzzle 8, it is the same, right? So the same question again, and it has the input. Input is the when we click the begin button, and output is to change the screen. Okay. You can see, click it, and this is the output, okay, to the first screen question. And when you click the outreach, it's called the input, right? And so another screen is the output. You click again, and input and output is screen, and fly backward is input, and so the screen is the output again. Okay, I think that is simple for you guys. So just press finish again. In this puzzle or this lesson 1, no coding. Okay, it's just investigation. So this all is like simple, right? When you can see the red is input, blue also input, purple is input, and the color is out here. Okay, when we press here, input, and show the screen is output. Input, when we click the recycle bin, okay, click on the basket, okay, flower basket input, and so the tag here is output. So it's quite simple, right? Okay, this is also the output, and this is also the output. So press finish, continue. So it's quite simple, right? We press run, we can see the input is this the Y arrow key, Y arrow, and when we click it, this is input. This is the output here in the screen. When we click the force number, it is input, and output the text right unit for player. Okay, this also output here when we click this button. Okay, start again. Okay, so simple, right? We can see what is the input and what is the output on the screen. So this app is also simple. We can click on the picture, also the input, and show the text with the big picture, also the output. So click, you can see is the input, and the text, and another image pop up is output. So I just press continue. I think this app is all. Okay, now let's try to match the term. Input, we have the 3 answer here. You can click it, and after that you can submit it. Okay, so try it by yourself. Okay, so that's all about our lesson 1 here. So okay, now let me complete it. The user click the button. I think it is the input. A song is play, okay, making a sound by player, and this is user interface. It is screen button image and the text. Okay, so I just press submit. Okay, that is correct. So you finished the lesson 1. Okay, all of you guys, I hope you all learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video.